How to make $100 a day online. Are you stuck at a 9-to-5 job that you're not very fond of? Or better said, you downright hate it, and hate wasting your time? Are you looking for a new, easy, better way to make $100 a day? Then why not do it online? I mean, the internet is the foremost money-making machine of the 21st century. In this video, I'll introduce you to 5 easy-to-master ways to make money online, some of which definitely won't take you 8 hours a day. Don't forget to comment down, like and subscribe. 1. Paid surveys. Another straightforward online side hustle for you to make easy money is doing paid surveys. If you're worried about the legitimacy of this kind of income, don't be. Paid surveys are perfectly legitimate and they're used by thousands of businesses out there. Companies need opinions from users and buyers in order to improve their products and services, as well as to create new ones, and the internet allows them to reach people who can provide them with reliable data, people they otherwise wouldn't have the chance to reach. Yes, that's where you come in. A paid survey is basically giving your opinion on a service or product and getting paid for it. All you have to do is sign up, for free, on a paid online survey site and start earning money. But be wary of scam sites that ask you to pay in order to use their surveys. Some of the best sites you can visit to get some extra cash from surveys is Swagbucks. 2. Freelance Writing. If you have solid writing skills and can quickly get the hang of all kinds of different topics in a short amount of time, then you should definitely try freelance writing. Depending on the work, the number of words, and the client's budget, you can make less and more than $100 per day. Some word count requirements are less than 500 words, but most of them are usually between 1,200 and 2,000 words. Nowadays, there are plenty of websites you can search for freelance work. All you need to do is sign up and list your skills and expertise. Some of the sites may ask for an existing portfolio. These are some of the best freelance marketplace websites right now, like Upwork.com. 3. Write sponsored posts. Sponsored posts are pretty self-explanatory. Basically, companies and businesses pay you to write good stuff about them, their services and/or their products, on your site or blog. What you need to do is talk about a product, or a brand, you like, tell your readers how you use it, and inform them how they can benefit from it as well. Payments range from a couple of $100s to several $1,000 per post, but sometimes also tens of thousands of dollars if your site has a lot of traffic. 4. Write an ebook or sell another type of digital product. This is a pretty easy way to make money online. For this to work, you have to have a certain amount of expertise in a field, so you know what you're talking about and why you're actually writing the ebook. But you can also write something shorter, like an online guide or a tutorial. If you're in the nutrition niche, you can create meal plans, or if you're in the sports niche, you can create an exercise routine. Nowadays, ebooks are really easy to promote and disseminate. You can put yours on your website for sale, but you can also sell it through Amazon, and, of course, promote it on social media platforms. Additionally, you can make a type of digital subscription in which you will serialize your expertise or knowledge, share step-by-step guides, and churn out fresh and up-to-date content for your subscribers. You don't need to have a supply of physical t-shirts or any kind of inventory, that's Amazon's job. All you need to do is create a killer design and sell it. 5. Create online courses. Offering online courses is similar to coaching, which means you need to have a deeper understanding of a certain topic or a set of skills. Online courses have become a way for people to keep learning and stay connected, which means your expertise is likely to be much more appreciated nowadays. There are plenty of websites out there that will help you set up your own online course. Some of the best are Udemy,